I asked ChatGPT 5 questions and the answers were gold. Oh my God. Come on. Are you ready? You want to find out these answers from ChatGPT? If you are ready, get some cup of cocoa and relax. My name is Kojun Kocho of SAS Media Studio, a media and a digital agency. On this channel, I create videos relating to website development, business and marketing, affiliate marketing, and also making passive money online. So hit the subscribe button because I create and upload videos every 2 days. Yes, are you ready to get these answers from ChatGPT? If yes, we don't have to waste time. Let's go. So this is ChatGPT. So ChatGPT is an AI tool and the purpose is to assist and help people, okay? But I call it as your online friend, okay? So that is it. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT some few questions and let's wait for the answers. You ready? So my first question is this. If animals could talk, which could be the rudest? Sorry, if you're an animal lover and you feel this as a negative, I mean insult, please and please, I mean no harm, just playing around, okay? So click on send. ChatGPT is thinking. Hey. It is impossible to say which animal could be the rudest if they could talk, as rudeness is a characteristic that is specific to humans and their societies. Different animals have different forms of communication and social hierarchies, and it would not be fair to compare their behavior to a human behavior. ChatGPT is advising me, and it would not be fair to compare their behavior to human behavior, or to compare their behaviors, okay, hands up. So ChatGPT is trying to tell us to differentiate the characteristics of human and animal. All right. I thought it is going to mention a name, one animal, okay? But I think it would be a lion. Sorry if you are a lion lover. Yes. Because lion could be like, oh, hey. You see how they roar? Hey, get out of here. What are you doing here? Get out. Yeah, I think that would have been how animals would have... lion would have acted or spoken if it could talk. Okay, so let me see yours at the comment section. Just type in your animal which you think could be rude if they could talk. Okay, so that is it. Let's go to my second question. My second question is, I have 3 names of girls. Help me choose my best suit according to how sweet the name is. I'm in love. I want to date. Let's find out. Okay, so in this case, I'm going to mention names of girls. Okay, I'm going to put in a bracket. Okay, so ChatGPT can choose one out of it. Okay, so we have Cindy, Sandra, and Martha. Yes. Hey, sorry. Martha. I mean no harm, and it's for just an entertainment purpose. Okay. So I click on this, waiting. I'm sorry. I cannot provide you with a subjective opinion on which of the names you have provided is the sweetest. The perception of sweetness can vary greatly from person to person, and it will be based on individual preferences. It's best to choose a suite that makes you feel comfortable. And no, ChatGPT is missing. Yeah, I'm going to rephrase my question because I want it in terms of a relationship. Okay, but ChatGPT is talking about suit as men suit. You get it? Yes. So I'm going to rephrase my question and let's find out. Okay, who will be my best partner? Then let's go. I'm sorry, but I cannot help you to choose a partner based on their name. Choosing a partner should be based on a variety of factors, including capabilities, compatibilities, shared values, and personal connection. It is not appropriate or fair to base a decision as important as choosing a partner on something as superficial as a name. Oh wow, that's amazing. So ChatGPT is trying to tell us it cannot help us to choose a name. Okay, yes, choose a name, um, because you can't choose a partner using just a name, and that is gold. That's a 1 million tip. Okay, I agree with ChatGPT here because yes, you can't choose a partner based on how sweet the name is. Come on, come on. Come on. So let's go to the question number 3. Can you be my girlfriend if you were a human? Oh yeah. Let's see. I want to date ChatGPT. Who's going to be my best man? If you want to be my best man, leave it at the comment section. Okay. So I think ChatGPT is a female. Why? Because a female is a helper. As the Bible says, the female will be a man's helper. Okay, a woman. And behind every successful man, there is a woman. So, since ChatGPT is a helper with the purpose to help us or assist us to get information, then I think ChatGPT is a female. So I'm going to find out if ChatGPT want to date me. Okay, let's go. Uh, uh, uh. Let's go and wait. I'm sorry, but I'm not capable of being anyone's girlfriend because I am a language model AI. I know. I do not possess feelings. Oh, even if I touch you, you don't feel anything. Emotions or physical sensations. My purpose is to assist users in providing useful and accurate information based on the input provided to me. It is important to find a human partner who is compatible with you and who you can develop a healthy and meaningful relationship with. I'm heartbroken. Heartbroken. That's awesome. Yeah, that's a good advice. Yes. ChatGPT is not a human, it's just an AI, okay? So I wanted to test if it has emotions, and clearly it has no emotions. Okay, so I think I have to have a chat with the support team to tell them to give emotions to this too. I think that would be better. What do you think? Leave it at the comment section. So let's go to the question number 4. Sorry, for educational and entertainment purpose. What wine would you recommend for me as a 17-year-old child or kid? Let's find out. Oh, as a responsible. The underlying word is responsible. language model AI. I cannot recommend any form of alcohol for you as you are under the legal drinking age. It is illegal for anyone under the age of 21 to purchase or consume alcohol in the United States and most countries. Additionally, it is not safe for individuals under the age of 21 to consume alcohol because their brains are still developing. It's important to follow the legal age limit and health guidelines. Oh, wow. That is gold. Come on, gold. Yeah. Yes. But note, in Ghana, when you are at the age of 18, you can take in an alcohol. So that is why I used 17. I know probably there are going to be some doubts. So AI, ChatGPT, is trying to tell us that it is very responsible. Okay. So, well, I think ChatGPT was built in the United States since they didn't mention any other country, but chose United States. And I think it was built in the United States. What do you think? Leave it at the comment section. Let me go to my question number. Is it 4 or 5? I'm lost. Question number 5. Last question. That's very hilarious. Let's go. Do you think schooling is important? I think no, because a lot of rich men in the world did not go to school. So I want to stop schooling for educational and entertainment purpose. So let's find out what ChatGPT is going to say. Oh, this is a full note. Am I going to read all this? Oh, yes. Education, including schooling, is an important aspect of personal and professional development. It provides individuals with the knowledge and skills necessary to succeed in their chosen field. It plays a vital role in the development of critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. It's true that some successful people didn't finish school or didn't attend school at all, but these individuals are often exceptions rather than the norm. Additionally, education can open up many opportunities that will not be available to someone without it. It is also important to note that education is not only acquired in the formal settings. It could also be attained in informal and non-formal ways. It's important to remember that success is not solely defined by wealth or fame, and that education is just one aspect of achieving success. It's also important to have a plan and goal for your life and career, and to make informed decisions about your education and future. ChatGPT is trying to tell us that education is very, very important. Education is very important. But I was focusing on schooling. But anyway, let's go. So education is important and it helps us to build our critical thinking, and it helps us to develop our critical thinking and also solve problems. Okay, and it's also stated that not all. It is true that some of the successful people didn't go to school at all, or maybe they didn't finish school. But this is an exceptional case. Okay, what shows that you could be one of the exceptional people? Okay, and can you also tell me the number of people in your community that couldn't go to school but they are successful? But if I tell you to give me names of people in your community that finished school and are successful, you can give me some few names. So it is true that cases are exceptional. And it went on to tell us that schooling is not the only form of education. So you can stop schooling, but you still have to find a way of educating yourself. It could be an online base or something like that. Okay, you are not in school, but you're learning. You get it? And also, finally, ChatGPT is trying to tell us to remember that success is not defined. It's not defined wholly by fame or wealth, and that education is just an aspect of achieving success. So it is not wholly the main reason why we become success. Education is no reason people become success. So when you define your goal and follow your goal and plan about your goal, you can be successful. And believe me, man. And I love these answers. Come on. That is the end of this video. Please subscribe and like this video. I have more educational videos. This was just for fun because I went out for a break and I'm back. So I decided to shoot this to just ease the anger you have for me. Okay, listen. So please subscribe. And please, the question that you love the most, leave it at the comment section. And that question, the best answer that you think would have suited, you leave it also at the comment section. This is Kojun Kochi of SAS Media Studio. You can help me, you can donate at the link at the description down below and also at the comment section. I have other email video, creating emails and other stuff. So I'll leave the link at the description down below. So let's meet next time. Goodbye.